Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you would learn how to solve the practice problem calculating the surface area of a given cuboid as well as calculating the volume of a given cuboid. So basically the question is surface area and volume for a given cuboid. So basically if you know the formulas for calculating surface area and volume of a cuboid, then you can easily solve this question, right? So basically we require three variables, that is length, breadth and height. Surface area, that is SA, is 2 multiply L multiply B plus B multiply H, okay, and then plus, okay, this is plus 1 minute, this is plus H multiply L, okay. Now this is surface area and the volume is L star B star H. Okay, so if you know the formulas, you can directly apply them and you can easily solve the question. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem surface area and volume of cuboid. Okay, once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Let's solve the question. Okay, here is the question, let's read it. Given length L, width B and height H of a cuboid, find the total surface area and volume of cuboid. Okay, and we would be coding the question over here. Okay, so let's solve the question now. Let's solve it. Okay, so let's do for SA. SA is surface area. Okay, that is 2 star circular brackets, then L star B plus B star H, this is multiplication, okay, I am referring star as multiplication, then H star L, okay. Now next is volume, I am writing V for that, that is L star B star H, okay, and finally I just need to return with these values, so return with surface area comma volume. Now I need to check if it is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem calculating the surface area of a given cuboid. With calculating the surface area, we need to calculate the volume as well. So the proper question is surface area and volume of a given cuboid. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.